fish right there. On caught that on Tank's tackle, one of his Cincos, and then I used a Outcast custom baits Ned rig, using it, just dead sticking it really. Hey folks, it's John with Team Bass Holes 904. Just got a little unboxing for y'all today. Come on. Well, actually, it's a mystery tackle box unboxing. Come on. And a RIVER2SEA Dragonfly lure, top order lure. Let's get this bad boy started. So, as always, you get your what's inside box, or what's inside the box. And let's see, what we got? Soft tail square bill. Let's get into this. I love their little logo. Buddha Bait Company. Swimming jig. 3/8 ounce. Come on. There's the BD. So what was it? Dives 1.5 to 4 foot. That's what I'm talking about. Bio Spawn plasma tails. I haven't tried them. I think they're gonna work pretty good though. I like the design on the tails for sure. And my favorite, some swim baits. They never get old. I love throwing a swim bait. Extreme squid scent. Don't know how great that'll work in freshwater. Might work great. I don't know. Don't have any squid in my little lake, so we'll have to try it out though. And last but not least, we got some weird looking drop shot hooks. Drop shot rocking. Try them out with the plasma tails. And yeah, of course you get your little sticker and your little booklet. I don't know, personally I like Lucky Tackle Box. And you know what they did not send me? They did not send me a little scratch off deal. That was the whole main reason why I ordered this thing. What the crap? Well, that sucks. On to the next. My RIVER2SEA. So I'm gonna set this bad boy right here. Open it up. I got this one off of eBay actually. It's cheaper on eBay than you can buy it from them. It's just kind of funny. I have a red one too, but I didn't do an unboxing on it. But there she is, folks. I like it. And it comes with an extra set of wings. So I got that. Like I said, it was cheaper than online on their website, on RIVER2SEA's website. I think I paid $8 for it. So all in all, that's what we got. As always, thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Y'all have an awesome day. did.